I think one of the things that can kind of be maybe a little puzzling or curious is the fact that preventative maintenance is actually at the top of the resident experience and at the bottom of the investor experience. And why is that? And so if you're looking at that ladder of maintenance excellent, if you keep marching up the ladder, you're doing great communication, your scheduling efficiency is great, your staffing efficiency is fantastic, and then you go to preventative, you should be at the peak. Because if you think about the resident experience, imagine the fact that stuff just doesn't break without you being ahead of it. Imagine that HVAC that's getting serviced ahead before the failure of the summer. Imagining the gutter cleanings are happening before the leak in the house happens and it becomes an emergency. So the reason why it's at the very top of the resident experience is because the resident starts to feel like the home almost fixes itself. And that's actually the beginning of where investors start to see very, very tangible returns on a professional property manager outside just keeping the renter in place.